How to edit review on Tripadvisor. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can review or how you can edit your review on Tripadvisor. Now here, if on the app what you can do is you can head into your profile, and there you want to head into the review box and you'll be able to view your reviews there. If you do it on browser, you can head into your browser on your device and searching for tripadvisor.com. You'll be headed into this official page. Here you can see, now here if you tap on the three horizontal line icon at the left hand side of the screen, you can see and a list of options will pop up. If you scroll down, you'll find the option write a review, and there you'll be able to write a review. In my case, I don't have any reviews yet. You can see it's written you have no reviews yet. After you write some reviews, they'll appear here. Now the thing what you need to know is you won't be able to edit your review. The only way to change that review once you have posted it is you want to delete that and you want to update, you want to rewrite review. So reviews cannot be edited. The only way to update your review is to delete it and submit an updated version. So this way only you can edit your review on Tripadvisor. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.